jumping your ass. Jumping your ass. Spread them cheeks. I'm gonna jump in your ass.
These pricks anyway.
Are you winning, son?
We're playing Oblivion, baby.
Dude, I haven't played Oblivion since I was in high school, so this is... I don't remember anything.
We're gonna bust it down, dude. We're gonna go until we
Get bored. Enter character name.
cry. Crikey, mate. Khry'Lie. Khry'Lie. Khry'Lie.
There you go.
Khry'Lie?
I don't know how you would pronounce it. The fucking lizard people always have a name that's like hyphenated.
Dude,
or
it's
something
your
though.
pronunciation. What do you got?
I think we're gonna go with Khry'Lie.
Khry'Lie. Okay, I like Khry'Lie.
I want to be an old woman. Yeah, I like how that looks.
Alright. Fuck with it.
Are you sure you want to be an Argonian? Whoa, hold on.
It's a little racist, brother.
Is it going to be harder because I'm not an Imperial?
Better not close this one. There's no way to open it from the other side.
Yep.
Looks like this is your lucky day. I'm watching.
All right, bitch, fuck you. Hey, yo, I'm free.
All right.
Hey, yo.
I don't think they're freeing you, dude. They're straight
Hey.
up like you're fucking death bait.
What?
They're trying to get you killed, man.
Nothing bad's going to happen to me. I'm free, dude.
What did they say when you were coming down here?
They told me to stay put in my cell.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Don't get too close.
They don't want me near him, see? Don't get too close. All right, well, I'm not helping you guys when this shit happens. Oh, fuck me! Oh, God!
What is that? Just a dude living down there?
For the Emperor!
No, they're assassins.
Oh,
For the Emperor! Are you all right, sire?
no. You really have to say that?
Oh, for the Emperor!
Yo, this guy's got on a full suit of armor, and I can't have any of it.
We have to keep moving.
I feel like they have better voice actors in this than they did in Skyrim 2. I mean, they had like 3 voice actors in total. In the entirety of Skyrim.
Yeah, it really be like that.
They already have like 5 in this.
Quiet and stay out of the way.
Yeah, boy!
It's too late to go.
Ah!
Don't worry,
Jesus
son. We will get you out of here.
Is that how your guy acts?
Yeah, this lady, yeah, she's crazy.
I'll take
Fucking,
Ah!
fucking what?
I want out of this prison. Ready your weapon, press the X button. I know how to fucking play the game. It's the same as Skyrim. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Hey,
There he
yo, what
is.
the fuck?
Oh, they call it Rat, no Skeevers.
What the fuck? Eldritch Blast! Yeah!
Nice. Dang, dude, try to do some damage.
Yo, what the fuck is that? Like, yeah! Ow!
All right. One quip that your man would say, or your woman would say, after murdering a rat. Go.
For the hist!
For this? Now say it.
For the hist! You don't know what the hist is?
No.
That's where the Argonians, they come from.
That's what you would say? I thought you were a crazy person.
I am a crazy person. I want to
You
return.
fight for the hist.
I want to return to the hist. Well, the hist is a part of them. It's hard to explain. It's a
Wow.
aura
Okay,
of-
wow.
No, I'm serious. It's like an aura of bees that they're a part of.
Let's hear your backstory.
Okay. I am
What's your name again? Fucking
Khry'Lie. She is in jail because she's a crazy person. She stabbed another homeless person. She's a homeless person. She stabbed another homeless person for a sweet roll. You know, pretty classic stuff.
Did you get to keep the sweet roll after you stabbed him?
No, she actually ate the man instead.
Oh. Okay, so that's a little worse than just killing somebody. You ate them as well.
She's a lizard, though, so it's like not cannibalism.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the role-playing tutorial. We're role-playing as Khry'Lie. Khry'Lie?
Yes.
Khry'Lie, the cannibal fucking...
She's not a cannibal.
The fucking rat fuck piece of shit lizard bitch who kills people and eats
Goblin
them.
up ahead hasn't seen you yet. You might be able to sneak up on him and fuck him in the head. Where did he at?
I'll sneak up and fuck him in there. Oh, he sees you now.
Oh
my
Jesus
fuck!
Christ, God
It's
damn
fucking
it!
Dobby, dude! He's coming for your sock, bro. Oh! Fuck!
Get blasted. Man, I really wish these guys would just fuck off. Okay? Oh! You fucking idiot!
Oh my god,
That was
dude.
the best thing I've ever seen.
What a fucking dumbass.
I'm glad we recorded that.
That dude just got fucked.
What an idiot.
He's like, hey, what are you doing here?
I think it's lame that you can't start the game a cannibal. I have to like go and do a mission later to unlock it. So lame. She's not a cannibal. They're not the same
Okay,
species.
so she swallowed a human whole, and dude, you should have waited until there was a guy to kill. Oh, you did kill a guy. Wow, good for you.
Fuck a man, white knuckle trade.
Oh, you killed 2 guys. Holy shit.
Fuck them.
Okay, yeah, so you've been imprisoned for fucking
Not
swallowing a human whole, and they took your fucking sweet roll. What are you gonna do?
I'm trying to bust out of the jail. I got it! You gotta be quick with it, I guess.
You're not trying to help the fucking dudes
I don't
that
give
live
a
down here?
fuck.
Okay.
I do not give a fuck about that man.
All right.
He's royalty.
He
I'm a
fucking-
bum, dude. They left me in the streets to die, and that man lived in a fucking thing. Fuck that man.
He didn't leave you in the streets to die. He locked you up in a prison, and he gave you 3 meals a day.
Before that, they left me to die out in the street. Okay.
Do you hate orphans?
I hate orphans.
I am an orphan.
Yeah, but do you like them?
Not really.
Would you eat a goblin?
Oh, yeah, I would. Look at that ass. I'm talking about some fucking...
How did they get through here without getting fucked up with these goblins?
They didn't go this way. They locked a door to keep me in prison.
Oh, that's messed up, dude.
Yeah, and then a rat knocked down the wall, and that's how I got here.
Oh, nice. What's your upbringing? Were you just homeless your entire life, or?
No, I was a slave. And I ran away, but I came here because that was all like, everybody was all like, hey, if you ever want to make it big, you know, you move to the empire, you know, it's like LA, you know. So I moved here, tried to make it big.
Became a bomb.
I was a whore. I was the lusty Argonian maid.
Oh, gnarly.
Yeah. And, well, you know, I didn't make as much money. And when my family saw my OnlyFans, they disowned me. So
Oh, OnlyFans, huh?
yeah, they got
What's
me.
the equivalent to OnlyFans in this? I mean, there's obviously not like cell phones and shit here.
Yeah, I just magically, I fucking can send it to people telepathically.
Oh, fuck.
So I just look at my own asshole and then I imprint it in your brain.
Yeah, that's pretty powerful.
Yeah. They're getting fucked down here.
You're like, I'll imprint my ass.
Yo, get out of the way. I want the XP. Ah.
Brain for money.
For the Empire! Damn it, it's that prisoner again.
What's up?
Go ahead. You want to try to kill me? Is that what you just said?
She is not one
You
of
want to? Yeah, listen to Patrick
She can
Stewart
help
over here.
us. She must help us. You shall follow me yet for a while. Then we must part.
You may as well make yourself useful. Carry that. Stick close. And let us
Right, the
do our
blades?
job.
What was his question?
No, he just told me to carry a torch.
Oh yeah, that Emperor's getting his hands dirty, dude.
Don't worry about me. I'm just over here getting my ass fucked. No armor. Guys, like, just stand there and hold a torch. Stand there and hold my fucking cock and balls. Get his ass.
For the blades
Oof.
and the Emperor!
Damn, he killed that man. He killed that man.
I ain't gonna eat him.
Damn it! The gate is barred from the other side. A trap!
What about that side passage back there?
Worth a try. Let's go.
Yo.
That's a big old sword, dude.
Sheesh.
It's a dead end. What's your call, sir?
I don't know. I don't see any good options here. They're behind us. Wait here, sire.
Wait here with the Emperor. Guard him with your life.
For the Emperor!
Fuck you. Okay? I just want to say that right now. I'm not dying for you.
God damn.
Oh,
Take the amulet. Give it to Jauffre. He alone knows where to find my last son. Find him and close shut the jaws of Oblivion.
He said the name of the game! He said it! Now he's gonna die! Oh my god, they got him! Oh my god!
Yeah, he's gonna fuck your ass.
dude, yeah. Can you swing the blade?
Oh, y'all are late, boy.
Hey, brother. I just beat your ass and then another. Fresh out the sewers.
Sheesh. Escape prison, dude. Now you gotta go to Mexico. You gotta go straight to Mexico, dude.
Look at this fucking guy, dude.
Can I help
It's
you?
Friar fuck.
Why do they all have that? Was it intentional?
I think so, yeah. I mean, it has to be.
He's
That'd be
upstairs.
fucked up. You
Go
just
ahead.
balded that way.
Yeah. I mean, if you're Jewish, it makes sense because the hat going on and off and on and off. I guess. I don't know. They say that hats cause hair loss. That's what I've always been told.
I'm Brother Jauffre. What do you want?
That's Jauffre. Here's the amulet.
This cannot be. No one but the Emperor is permitted to handle the amulet.
He's dead, so.
Let me see it. By the Nine. This is the Amulet of Kings.
Ooh.
Who are you? How did you get this?
Are you sure? It's because
What do you
it's
know
a
of the
replica,
Emperor's
bitch.
As unlikely
You
as
just
your
got
story
fucking
sounds,
caught.
I
You're out of the
believe you.
fucking clan now,
Only the
bitch.
strange
Yeah, he's like, as
destiny of
unlikely as all of
Ariel
this is,
Septim could
I
have
just
brought you to
believe
me
you.
carrying the Amulet of Kings.
fucking
I'm not
piece
sure.
of shit.
He's exposition
Only the
dumping me.
emperors truly
Friar
understand the
fuck.
meaning behind the rituals of coronation. The amulet of kings is ancient. Saint Alicia herself received it from the gods. It is a holy relic of great power. When an emperor is crowned, he uses the amulet to light the dragon fires at the Temple of the One in the imperial city.
How many of these
With the
monks do you
emperor
think I can
dead
kill?
and no new heir crowned, the dragon fires in the temple will
3.
be dark.
I'm level
For the
1.
first time
3.
in centuries. It may be that the dragon fires protected us from a threat that only... I am one of the few who know of his existence. One night, Uriel called me into his private chambers.
What do you think?
A baby boy lay sleeping in a basket.
3 seems good.
Uriel
I only saw
told
3 in
me
the
to
building.
deliver him somewhere safe. He never told me
How
anything
many
else about the baby,
fucking
but I
graybeards could
knew
you
it
kill?
was his son. From time to
I
time, he
don't
would
know.
ask
I've never
about
tried.
the
I don't
child.
know. Are they really strong?
Now
Yes.
it seems
Yeah.
that this
Well, they
illegitimate
pretty
son
much,
is the
like,
heir to the Septim throne.
They just shout lock you?
Yeah,
he
dude. They
lives.
just shout lock you, and
Yeah.
they just beat the piss out of you with their hands. It
His name is
sucks.
Martin. He said, "You must go to Khry'Lie and find him at once. If the enemy is aware of his existence, as seems likely, he is in terrible danger. And please, let me know if there's anything you need. My resources
Also, that's kind of fucking terrifying.
waste no time. You must
Like,
find
there's just
Martin.
4 dudes that live in the mountains, and they can
Good afternoon.
speak dragon.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Yes! What the fuck?
They're all members of the Blades. I forgot about that. So they got those dope ass swords. Yeah, I can't take any of them.
Ooh.
Couldn't take a single
I
one.
know, it's Greybeard Palace, but got bombed.
These press anyway.
Are you winning, son?